It has been more than 1 week since the city of Portland cleared its last large homeless encampment.
While many people dispersed are now sleeping in cars or other areas, a sizable number of people decided to try out the city's homeless shelter. Advocates who work with this population have criticized the Homeless Services Center in the past, saying its rules around drug use, curfew, and significant others were too strict. City staff say they've taken that feedback and worked on reducing some of those barriers. We spoke with Erica Mathis, who says she was homeless for nearly a year. She was reluctant to use the shelter at first, but now says it's helping her with her drug addiction. She says she is convinced six of her unhoused friends to use the shelter as well.
Yeah, I went back to the encampment a couple days after. And found a couple of my friends that were still there, sleeping outside on the ground. And I wanted to tell them that the shelter wasn't as bad as, I thought. So I told a couple of them, and they came. They came right after I left, so, which I'm actually very happy that they're here and not outside in the cold still.
The Homeless Services Center has now filled most of its beds. The number of beds available each day varies, but it's now usually in the single digits. Several weeks ago, the shelter would have dozens of open beds.